Hello, I'm Tony from Aquatica. Welcome to the Home Improvement Expo. I'd like to show you some of the stuff on our stand. So we're a bathroom supply company. We're about innovation and we're about bathroom solutions. So if you're doing a new build or a renovation, come and see us and our solutions. This is the latest spa bath on the market, Elisi. It is a freestanding spa bath. So up until now, everything's been built in. Freestanding spa bath with a freestanding look. Also got very innovative toilets. This one's called Katrina. It's a tornado flush toilet. Low profile seat, and it is a tornado flush mechanism. We have showers, we have freestanding baths, we have LED mirrors. We have a dull light and a bright light wipe, and also inbuilt demister as well. Showers, all our showers have treated glass. The glass already has the treatment on it. 2 meters tall, and different options. We have 12 by 9 sliding doors, we have square cubicles, round cubicles. The shower trays are manufactured in Australia. Freestanding baths, freestanding bath fillers, a variety of tapware. We make the laundry tubs here in Auckland, and we test and assemble all of the tapware here as well. So come and see us, come and pick apart our expertise. We're here to help you.